Good evening, everyone. It is October 4th, 2017. Here with another $10 break on release day 2017 Panini Donruss Certified Cuts Football 1-box break number 3. 2 random teams each. So, 16 total spots. You get 2 random teams per spot. Let's roll the dice. 2 and a 2, so 4 times on the list of names. And the teams 4 times. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, after 4 times, J-Mac, you're at the top. Jason K, you're at the bottom. All right, 4 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After 4 times, you have the Lions at the top. San Diego Chargers are at the bottom. So J-Mac, you have the Detroit Lions, Travis with the Cowboys, Kip with the Bills, Alex, you have the Patriots, Paul with the Bucks, Edwin, Last Ball Mojo with the Steelers, Sortides with the Browns, Brad, P, you have the Rams, Jason with the Giants, Edwin, Last Ball Mojo with the Texans, Marty with the Seahawks, Jason with the Redskins, Karen with the Bengals, Jason with the Jets, Brad with the Dolphins, Paul with the Packers, Travis with the Minnesota Vikings, George, you have the Eagles and Raiders, Jason with the Bears and Panthers, Karen with the Cardinals, Chris W with the Chiefs, Jason with the Broncos, Alex with the Falcons, J-Mac with the Saints, Chris with the 49ers, Marty with the Ravens, Jason K with the Jaguars, Sortides with the Titans, Kip with the Colts, and Jason K with the Chargers. Alright guys, I'm going to let the video run. If you do want to make any trades, please let me know within the next minute or so. And if you can work something out, if not, we'll come back and pop open this Certified Cuts football. What's up, Edwin? Alex is saying trade Pats and Falcons for one team, like 2 for 1. If anybody wants to try to get a trade in. What's up, Edwin? Also, while I have the downtime, let me put up another Certified Cuts. Alright, well, it looks like probably not going to get a trade down, so let's just close the trade window. Trade window is now closed, and let's print out this sheet. Then we will generate a box for this break. Here's the list. Good luck to everybody. Edwin with the Texans, Last Ball Mojo, and the Steelers. Here are all the boxes remaining. Every box, I think, except 2 boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 11. So it looks like we did box 8 and box 12. So let's do this and generate a box, and it is 8 not available. So let's do that again. 11. There we go. Box 11 is available. Pull that one up right under here. Box 11. So good luck, everyone. All right, guys. Good luck. And right here for the Bengals, we have Modern Day Heroes. Relic. Bengals. Going to Karen Steele. What the hell? Isn't this crazy, guys? They actually stuck an extra sheet. Alright. New Orleans Saints. Marshawn Lattimore, 128 of 399. Saints going to J-Mac. For the Pats, 62 of 99, Julian Edelman. Patriots going to Alex. There we go. Dual relic. Carson Wentz, Jordan Matthews. 83 of 99. Although Jordan Matthews is now a Buffalo Bill, but still. Hit for the Eagles. Going to George. Yes, Ben, I have it actually opened on this screen over here. I'm streaming the Toronto Maple Leafs game. Can't watch that Pittsburgh Penguins game. Heritage, Derek Thomas. Here's a blank. We have Great Expectations, Mitchell Trubisky. Johnny U, 140 of 399. For the Colts. Indianapolis going to Kip Johnson. Reddit. Heritage. And Taiwan Taylor, 214 of 299, Tennessee Titans. Going to Sortides. There you go. Now let's finish off this stack. For the Packers, 37 of 99. That is Jordy Nelson. Packers. Paul Harris. Cannonbound. That's Julius Peppers. Wow, another Kareem Hunt? Are you kidding me? Chris W. with the Chiefs. Look at that. That's 2 Kareem Hunts in a row. Maybe he's all over this product. That's 208 of 299. Chris W. with the Chiefs. There you go. Wish I had him in fantasy. Well, there you go, guys. That was Certified Cuts 1 box break number 3. Number 4 is already in the store if you want to get another one going. Still no cut autographs. There's supposed to be 2 per master case. So, still have some big hits remaining. Check it out, 10buckbreaks.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.